Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I made some lumpia for lunch and I wanted to get creative. So, I'm gonna show you the lumpia that I made and I'm gonna let you guess what's inside. So here I have 3 different lumpia. You can also do this when you're cooking for your family so that there's variety and they would also enjoy from picking from the lumpia, and they would also be surprised with what's inside. So I'm gonna try this first lumpia and I'm gonna show you what's inside. Okay, the first one, I put crab stick and mango.
Hello, Mama.
Hello. Okay, for the second one, it's sardines. Mmm, really good. And the third one, still hot. It's just pure mango.